In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start dropshipping on eBay with zero money. As you can see, guys, this is my second eBay account, which I created just for the videos that I make on YouTube about eBay dropshipping. As you can see, now all these items are dropshipped. Okay, I do dropshipping, guys, since like it's been like 4 years. I've been doing dropshipping from AliExpress for a long time. Okay. The only thing I like about AliExpress is they don't add, guys, the original price in the package, and they don't add the logo in the package compared to Amazon and Walmart and other e-commerce websites. Now, for today's video, we are going to use CJ Dropshipping, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can use it, the advantage of using CJ Dropshipping, and also how you can list products from CJ Dropshipping, and the methods I use to make over $7,000 every single month on eBay. Okay, this is not the profit. Okay, don't get me wrong, $7,000 is not all the profit. The profit is around 20 to 40%. Okay, I'm not sure what's the profit margin, but around the 20 to 40%. Okay, so what you need to start dropshipping on eBay using CJ Dropshipping is you need to create a CJ Dropshipping account, and you need to have an eBay account. Probably you have these, because that's why you clicked, guys, on this video. Now I'm going to start right now. So as you can see, this is the eBay account that I created for today's video. Okay, now what you need, guys, you just need to search for CJ Dropshipping, and you need to create there an account. Okay, so after, guys, you create an account, I already have an account on CJ Dropshipping, but I am going to delete it, and then I'm going to start from scratch. Okay, now after you create, guys, a CJ Dropshipping account, but first let's talk about the advantage of using CJ Dropshipping. You don't need to add the tracking number manually. You don't need to ship the products manually like we do on AliExpress and other e-commerce websites. If someone buys the product from us, we go to the website that we have imported, that we use to import the product to our eBay. We place the order there manually. We add the address of the customer manually. We do everything, but on CJ Dropshipping, they do everything automatically. Okay, you just need, guys, to find winning products, and CJ Dropshipping will take care of everything. The advantage of CJ Dropshipping, guys, is the shipping time. It's way faster than other e-commerce websites. As you can see, you will find here different shipping times, which is like the DHL official is like 3 to 7 days, CJ Packet Fast Ordinary 4 to 9 days. So you are using fast shipping. Okay, and that's exactly what's important. But for me, I don't really have a problem with the shipping time, even though it's almost like 15 days, 20 days, because people are, now that the item is coming from China, so they are going to wait. They don't care. As long as the item is cheaper than other sellers, they don't have a problem with the shipping time. That's what I noticed, guys. I've been, like I said, doing eBay dropshipping for a very, very long time. This is my first business I have ever it gives me, guys, the hope that you can really make money online. Okay, now what you need, guys, you just need to click on authorization in the top right, and you need to select eBay. Okay, so that we can connect eBay to we can connect eBay to CJ. Here, as you can see, I already have connected the eBay, this eBay, but I am going to delete it because I want to show you guys how you can do that yourself. I'm going to delete this account and start from scratch and show you guys how you can I'm going to delete accounts. As you can see, I have read and above contents and agree to delete account. I'm going to delete it so that I can show you guys how you can start from scratch. Next, they ask me, guys, to enter a code so that you can verify it's me who wants to delete the account. Okay, I'm going to reload this. Okay, this is the code. I'm going to enter it here. Okay, so I have successfully now deleted my CJ Dropshipping account. This is a new account, by the way. It's not my my account. So I'm going to click on register, and I'm going to use Google to register. Click on here, and then you need to click on authorization in the top left, and then click on eBay, And what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on add store. Okay, here it says here add store. And after, guys, you click on add store, what you need to do, guys, next is it says here authorization success. But for you, if this is your first time you are connecting eBay to CG, you will scroll down and click on give access or grant access. I don't remember exactly, but something like confirm or something like that. You understand me, guys. After that, you will find here something like authorization success, and then you want to search for the product that you want to import to your eBay store. Now it says here, as you can see, you sell, we source and ship for you. Okay, they do everything for you. Now the only problem you have here is you need to find winning products. Now the method I use, guys, to find winning products is I search for competitors on eBay who are using dropshipping, and I try to find what the products that are successful on their eBay store, and they copy all the products that they have on their eBay store. That's exactly my strategy for a very long time. On eBay or any e-commerce website I use, I only find the supply. I try to find sellers who are selling the same, who are doing dropshipping. I try to find sellers who are dropshipping from China. I don't use people. I don't copy people who are dropshipping from the United States. Only China, because they are dropshippers. I'm searching for dropshippers so that I can copy them and list the product that they are listing on their eBay store. I try to find that exact product on other e-commerce websites like CG or AliExpress, and I list that exact product. But another method I use is I see the sales history. Now, if this person is selling this item 3 times each month, then this item is successful. I see if the item has 3 sales in the last month. That's what I mean. If I see, for example, if I go to an item here, and where it says here sales, this item doesn't have any sale, by the way. I'm going to search for something else. Okay, I'm going to see this one if it has any sale. Okay, this one has 455 sold sales. Okay, so this item is successful. Now, if this person is selling this from China, but this one is selling this product from United States, I don't copy people from United States. I don't really, because these people have the items in stock. They are not drop shippers. I'm not going to try to copy them because they can offer faster shipping. They can offer they can offer cheaper prices, because they have full control. Not like me, who is a drop shipper. They don't it's not like you have an item in your house, and then if someone buys it from you, you send it directly to the customer. You are just a middleman. If someone buys from you, you go and buy that product from another supplier and sends the product. Instead of putting your address, you put the customer's address, and then they will send the item directly to the customer. Okay, now if this person has 3 sales in the last month, I go immediately and I copy the title and I search for it for the website that I use. If I use CJ Dropshipping, I'm going to search for this exact product on CG and import it to my eBay store. If I use AliExpress, I search for this product on AliExpress and import it to my store. Now, for CG, if you want to import a product to your eBay, here in the top, you just need to search, for example, my cap. Okay, and as you can see here, guys, my cap, and you will find here a bunch of products that you can import to your store. After you find the product, for example, this product, okay, click on it, and after, guys, you click on the product, what you need to do, guys, next is you need to click on list here. As you can see, after you click on list, you will find here your eBay username and here listing sites. If you are listing this on eBay, if you live in the United States, just select here USA. I always select USA, even though I don't live in the United States. I live in Morocco. Okay, now here where it says ship from, so this item is coming from China, and the shipping time is 7 to 12 days. Here it says here my orders most. If you are targeting United States, what I do, guys, I always target United States most of the time. Now you just need to select here where it says here my orders most to United States. It says that the shipping cost is $6. Here you want to select the shipping time, the shipping method that is cheaper. This one is as you can see $6. This one is $6 too. So here it says here the category, you just need to leave it like it is, and then you want to enter here the price. Okay, now as you can see, it says here total dropshipping cost is $12. This is how much money CJ Dropshipping will take each time you sell this product, but this is your price. If you sell this for $20 on eBay, then you can keep $8, but that doesn't mean you can keep $8 because eBay takes 30% of the sales, so you are only going to be left with like I would say $4. Okay, and then here the listing quantity. So I most of the time I just use 3. So if this item is successful, I try to add another quantity to the listing. Okay, I hope you understand me. And then click on list it now. Okay, but before you click on list it now, make sure you set up your eBay store for selling. Okay, you need to add your credit card, you need to add here the username, you already have it, your credit card, and you need to link your Pioneer account, okay, so that you can receive the payments from eBay. And yeah, after someone buys this product from you, what you need, guys, you need to use that money that you are going to receive on Pioneer, and you need to add the money to your CJ account. Okay, but don't worry about this whole thing, just take it from me. When I started, I didn't care about how I can ship the product. I cared about how can I get a sale, because after I get a sale done, I can focus on other things like how to ship, how to talk to the customer. How you don't need to know everything before you can start. Okay, you just need to start, guys, and then learn something every single day. Okay, you don't need to learn everything and then confuse everything. That's not how the business works. You need to every single time you need to face a problem and then solve it, and then learn until you have experience. That's exactly how people build experience. You don't know everything. Okay, they start with nothing and then build from there. Okay, hopefully, guys, this video helped you. After you get a sale, you will receive their notification here in the top right. Here it says now there are no notifications. After you get a sale, guys, you will receive it here. Okay, so I hope, guys, this video helped. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, guys. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.